Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to enroll a fingerprint now. Begin by making sure your iPhone supports Touch ID and is updated. Software changes how the sensor behaves. Once done, clean your finger and the sensor so readings aren't distorted, and remove any interfering screen film. Next, open Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode, and authenticate with your passcode. Tap Add a Fingerprint, and place the pad of your finger lightly on the home button. Start the enrollment immediately to capture reliable data. Now focus on capturing a complete fingerprint. Follow the on-screen prompts and lift and rest your finger gently. This ensures the sensor records both center and edge details. Change the angle and position slightly as you repeat presses to capture the sides of your pad, which improves recognition when you hold the phone differently. If the system rejects a scan, dry and wipe your finger, then try again. Make sure to enroll at least one alternate finger, so you have backup when fingers are cold or gloved. Finish by naming the fingerprint and testing unlock from multiple hand positions and grips to confirm consistency. Once verification works, enable options like iPhone Unlock and Apple Pay if you want quick access. If recognition becomes unreliable, check for screen damage, re-clean the sensor, and test again. A reliable fix is to delete the fingerprint, restart the iPhone, and re-enroll using a dry, clean finger. This recalibrates the system. If problems persist, contact Apple or visit an authorized service provider for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.